It's always them bum viewers who say that. Like, you are literally paying me by watching this right now, but I gotta go find a real job. But I'm your content creation choice. Out of all the content you could be watching, I'm what you watching, and I'm monetized, but I gotta go find a real job, right? That make a lot of sense. All right, let's get this thing dropped off. We right here at the Moon Salon. We've been here a billion times. The fuck was that? Something was just scraping down the street. That's crazy. It always amazes me how literal bums will tell you to get a real job while you literally working 3 jobs. I'm literally working 5 jobs at one time right now. I'm making highlights from my live stream. I'm doing a live stream, made more money on the live stream than I did right here. Making money right here, you know. I'm doing 5 jobs at one time, but a bum viewer can come in and tell me to get a real job. Now, ain't that a conwinky dink? How is this dude even in Memphis? This don't make no sense. It's some bum ass dude named Cyber Scrap King. I'm like, bruh, you are a bum. Why are you even in my TikTok? Like, this makes no sense. I'm trying to like get rid of this dude. Like, he's so trash. And then I click on it and then it don't even send me. So I'm trying to like. Is that him? No. It's too many bums. I'm tired of bums. All right, let's complete that and head to Chick-fil-A for our next order. He say my toenails hurt. You need to go to the doctor, my boy. Figure that out. We heading to the chicken spot where they got that chicken hot, pulling it up out that chicken pot. He say on earth, dumbass. I love it when people call each other dumbasses because it really like some people need to understand. Like, bro, you are dumb, okay? You might have thought you was smart, or at the least like not stupid, but no. Let me break it down for you. You are literally dumb, okay? I love telling people they dumb. Like, you thought you was smart? Ha! Nigga, you dumb as shit. Brandon the bum, I want to get an order and you deliver it so I can help you out. How you gonna help me out? You know what? If you want to help me out, it's a super chat button right here in this chat. You can do that. Other than that, find a rock and do some taekwondo. McFoodles, oh hell no. That raccoon special, y'all on all BS in this chat. Y'all on all BS. We going to the chicken spot, y'all. They say some poodles. Oh my god. Oh no. Adrian, they out here tweaking, boy. They out here saying everything. Diamond disco ball on. So we've been live for 2 hours. I'm about to end this shit. How many likes?